Welcome G-Tex Designs. This episode we will be building part 3-13, the Boiler Clinker Door Latch for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 3-13, the Boiler Clinker Door Latch for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. Let's get building. So let's open up template MMGS. Okay, so we're going to go right plane, sketch. It's a box with a corner cut off and a square cut out. If that makes any sense. Actually, you know what? I'm just going to draw it. So start here, go up, cross, down. There's a box that's cut out of it. Cross a little bit. That's a corner cut off. And back in. There we go. So pretty much that's a rough shape. We want that's 12. That is 3. That is 6. That is 3. And this is going to be, actually, you know what? Let me put that way. And this is going to be 6. That should be, no, not quite. Nope, that's not what I want. Yeah, there. Come on. Delete that one. Try it again. We go from there to there. 45. Still doesn't lock it in. Oh, hold on. So if I do that one, make that horizontal. I think it locks that one in. Why does it lock that one in? Oh. So this one's going to be 4. There we go. Put that one there. That's going to be 4. That's 3. That's everything locked in now. And it's going to be 6 deep. So there's actually 6 mil cube or square. Extrude. 6 mil. Roll 1. Mid plane. And done. Okay, let me just add some color scheme to that. So that's there done, but we need to add something here. We go to normal, sketch, and that's going to be a circle of 4. There it is. That's right. That's fine. So if we go from there to there, missed, is 3. There. Mud dimension. There. There. Oh. That's right. 3. There we go. Why is that locked in? Oh. Look at that one. 4. And then that's going to be sticking out by 6. So extrude 6 mil. And done. Beautiful. Now that's got thread on M4. Thread. and 4. That one there. That one. Is that one? I do it right way. Ah. There. Okay. Nope, input data crate thread is not complete. Ah. Delete that one. Up to there, sorry. Wrong one. There. Okay. There we go. Got it. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Actually got it right way this time. Okay, looks like that is all. Might put a slight filler on it. 0.5. How the heck do I pick an through that? Really? Needs there. Okay, let's see how that looks. Might be a little bit too much. Go a little bit less. 0.25. There we go. Probably didn't need it in there. It's hard to tell in the drawing, in the model there. But it looks like it has got stuff there, but that's fine. We can always change that later. So that is done. Alright, that's parts 3-13. Boiler Clinker Door Latch done for the Clayton Undertype steam wagon. So enjoyed the episode. Click the like button if you want to see more. Consider subscribing. I'll leave comments if you wish. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.